Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to become a UX designer step-by-step guide 2022. According to CNN Money and payscale.com, user experience UX designer is among the top 50 career with 10-year growth rate of 22.1% and pay ranging from 95,000 to 1,15,000 dollars. To become a UX designer, you need experience with UX design, graphic design, market research, and psychology, among other skills. While many UX designers start out in web design or development, anyone in a related field can acquire the skills needed to become a UX designer. In this guide, we will walk through how to become a UX designer with experience, how long it takes, and what qualifications you need to get here. Feel free to click on any of those links to jump to that specific section or keep reading. You can want, if you want to download a free UX free research and testing, you just click on this option. So how to become a UX designer? So no experience, so take a UX design course, create some designs independently, get some hands-on experience, create portfolio, network, apply to UX designer jobs, keep learning, and you can check out this video for a quick overview of some course steps anyone can take to become a UX designer. The first one, take a UX designer's course. There are over 140 US related bachelor's and master's degrees available at universities around the world. These degrees are field related to UX, like interaction design, information architecture, and digital design, among others, must take between 2 and 4 years to complete. If you are looking for a faster, more flexible alternative, then you might consider a UX design course. Many offer certifications that can help your resume stand up. For example, Google offers an online course for UX design professional certificate. It takes approximately 6 months to complete, but once you do, you can apply for UX designers jobs with our 150 US employers, including Google, Walmart, and Best Buy. You can also check your Google UX design professional certificate. So create some design independently. During a UX design course or bootcamp, you will typically complete at least one project. You should continue to make design outside the course or a bootcamp in order to get us much experience with different tools and types of designs as possible. When you are happy with the designs, consider sharing them on sites like Behance and Tribal to get some visibility and feedback. This can be a great way to start building your portfolio and your network in the UX design community. Here's some example for UX designers. EMI launches work on Behance. Think 3, get some hand on experience. Totally put your skills to the test. Consider design internship or freelancer work. This will be excellent experience to put on your resume and another great way to build at your network. More importantly, it will help you to build a solid foundation in project management, collaboration, and communication skills. These soft skills are just as important as the technical skills required of UX designers. You can find internship for or freelance opportunities on sites like LinkedIn and Upwork. Currently on Upwork there are over 550 UX designers freelance jobs. Fourth, create a portfolio. Once you completed the steps above, you can create a portfolio of your best work. In an article of our usability cake. Garcia Maligian, the executive search director at Creative Niche, emphasized how important portfolio are. They show all work designer has completed, and this sports all of the experience listed on a resume. It's important to ensure you are including a variety of samples in your portfolio with as much of the process traced out as possible. Your portfolio should include demo work as well as work you produced for clients or a company during freelancing gig or internship. This is essential for demonstrating your skills and process for improving their user experience as well as your impact. Make sure to include the results of the work you completed in addition to testimonials if you have them. EMI Lens, for example, features a slider of testimonials on her portfolio website that attests to her talent, work ethic, and impact. So this was a little bit review of this website. If you are interested in our content, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching.